Hey guys, how's it going? So, Workhorse here just had a short squeeze. I have a zero position in Workhorse. I actually sold out of my Workhorse position. Uh, but whatever. That's, I chose that, and, I can't. Like, to me, Workhorse doesn't really give that much of a return. Like, that's my opinion, right? Like, if Workhorse was to go to $50 and I bought at like $25, I double my money. And the Workhorse would be valued at $5.4 billion. And that is kind of ridiculous for the company to be valued at $5.4 billion. But it's still a possibility if big money comes in and just keeps buying and buying, and short sellers trying to keep shorting and shorting, and short squeeze happening consistently. Yeah, I can see Workhorse being a $50 stock eventually. For people who bought Workhorse at, $15, $20, or even better yet, $2 or $3, you guys are making some baller money. But for people who bought it at $25, $24, $23, you're looking at doubling your money. And the higher the stock price goes, the more bears will attack it, essentially, because the valuation, kind of makes no sense. But hey, you know what? I hope for you guys all the best. I hope Workhorse just keeps going up and up and up and never down. That's why I hope. I sold out my position because I just, I think GameStop is a better investment than Workhorse. So I put money into GameStop. I used that money and I put it into GameStop. And I still have some money on the side, and I still want to keep my cash and my stocks balanced. So that's the reason why I have to make sacrifices, and I sacrificed Workhorse a little bit. So I didn't have very much Workhorse shares to begin with. I only had 200 shares and I sold it. So just letting you guys know. But right now, Workhorse is having a short squeeze. The SPY is green. It doesn't look like like I said, the market did not look like it was gonna crash. Charts are telling me that markets were going to head higher. Look at the 52-week high. It's 357 points. Right now, the SPY is 10 points away from its 52-week high. I think by the time elections happen, I think the SPY is going to be at its 52-week high. The market is very bullish right now. Diamond Peak Holdings, I was going to make a dedicated video on it, but you know what? My Diamond Peak Holdings videos don't do that well. But Diamond Peak's merger is coming very, very soon. And I haven't sold us. I still holding on to my Diamond Peak Holdings. Why? Because I still believe in the company. So and I bought them at $10. I mean, I bought them at like $13 a share. So it's really hard for the stock price to go back down to $13 because everybody covers Diamond Peak Holdings. Everybody covers Lordstown. Everybody covers Workhorse. So there's a lot of eyeballs on Workhorse and Lordstown, and if it's dipped significantly, a lot of people are going to buy it up. And the stock is going to move back up again. And if Workhorse looks bullish, where are people going to put their money? In Diamond Peak Holdings, because it's cheaper than Workhorse. So, and you never know, right? Diamond Peak Holding Workhorse could be the next Tesla. Okay. I wouldn't call it the next Tesla, but they do have similar technologies to Tesla, and they're starting out very similar to Tesla. Tesla started out with the Roadster. Diamond Peak Holdings is starting out with a truck. Electric truck. It's kind of similar story. They both have a factory. They both make their own batteries. Well, no, they don't really make. I guess Lordstown makes the battery, but Lordstown does make the battery by the facility, and they are partnered up with Samsung to make the batteries, so they do have a partner in that aspect. And Tesla has Panasonic and LG and L to make their batteries, so they have multiple battery sources, not just themselves. And Lordstown has Samsung and GM, so I'm bullish on Lordstown. The lower the stock price goes, the more bullish I am. We'll see where big money and the market pushes Lordstown in the future. Plug Power, like, I can't believe this stock, right? I can't believe how much the market values Plug Power, and I think it could keep going up. While GameStop, the market values GameStop at $854 million. It's kind of low in my opinion. So yeah, I think this is an opportunity to be scooping up more shares. Like I said, I was hoping it was going to be red today, and it was red, and I took that opportunity to buy some more. Could it keep going down? Yeah, but I don't think it's going to go back down to $10. Could be wrong. If it does go back down to $11 or $10, that would make it a fantastic buying opportunity. But I do believe that eventually we will see GameStop at $20. That's my opinion only. Really good volume today, by the way. It like 61 million shares traded today. 75 million shares traded today. I'm curious that if shorts have covered their position yet. If they haven't, that would be crazy because the stock price is so high right now. We're going to be having an update here very, very soon of the short position in GameStop. I think sometime next week, we're going to have an update, but we won't officially find out I don't know if this is a short squeeze here or shorts are at work right now trying to pull the stock price back down, which would be amazing because then the bigger the short squeeze. Because, if Microsoft turns this baby around, this Ryan Cohen still hasn't come out with his strategy yet. So if Microsoft and Ryan Cohen can turn this company around, boom, this stock is going higher. Trine, I sold out of my Trine stock. I sold out of my GMHI stock because I wanted to buy more GameStop and wanted to balance my cash and my stock positions. So yeah, Lithium America Corporation down 75 cents right now. Piedmont Lithium is down 3 cents. PLL, oh yeah, I already talked about PL. Canadian Nickel Company is up a penny. Giga Metals today is down 3 cents. FPX. Down 2 cents today, down 60 cents. Green Power today up 41 cents. Market still loves Green Power. It's hilarious. I make a video about Aurora, and what happens? The stock price sells off. Freaking hilarious, man. Freaking hilarious. It's like, I should take people who loaded up on the stock when it was around 450 was like, I'm gonna take my profits, and the stock sold off. I don't know, whatever. That's just the reality of it. I still don't think rich people have abandoned Aurora stock, but that's just my opinion. Afria today is green. A little bit green. Canopy today is slightly green too. Tilray today is red. Pulling back a little bit. We'll see if this will continue. Should have bought some put options on Tilray this morning. I could have made a fortune. Could have made off like a bandit because it was like 661 and pulled back. So yeah. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.